Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video we'll talk about how you can make money online without any investment. Yes, it is possible to make money online without any investment, but there are few works that you need to do in order to be able to make money without any investment. So as you can see in my screen, this is an affiliate program. So affiliate program means company builds a product and services, and they allow any individual to promote that product and services, and if they bring sales to that company, then that person will get paid, okay, a pre-decided commission, either a lump sum commission like $50, $100, or they will get a recurring commission, meaning whatever sales that company keeps on making, the people will get paid who have brought that sales. Okay, so as you can see, I have recently got paid $209, $100, and I'll show you. It is extremely interesting, okay, how without any investment I was able to bring this commission in this affiliate program, and how I will be able to again keep on generating commission, more and more commission for lifelong without any extra cost. I'll show you each and everything in this video, so watch this video till the end, and please do like this video. If you have any question while I'm showing you things in this video, then comment in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer you, and please do subscribe to my channel too. So this is affiliate program from Kingfin. So Kingfin has a product that is called Trade. So what Trade actually is that people come here to do trading, online trading, like invest $100 for 1 minute, and they will predict, okay, where the market will go. If they say market will go above, then if they place a trade of $100, then in 1 minute if the market went up, then they will immediately get paid $80, $90. Or let's say, if as you can see in the screen also, if they predict that market will fall down in this way and they make a trade at here and this market falls down, then they invest $100 at here, then they will get paid $80, $90. Okay, and if they say that market will go up and they invest $100, and if market went down, then they will lose that $100. Okay, that kind of things, it is actually called a fixed time trading. So if you also want to do this kind of trading, then I'll put a link of this Trade in the description of this video, and you'll get up to $10,000 in your practice account, demo account, where you can practice this trade. And they also have lots of trainings which you can take and learn from that. So they have this product, okay, that is called Trade now, and they have an affiliate program from Kingfin to promote this affiliate product. Now the commission structure is in this way, okay. People come and sign up to this platform. I'll promote the link, okay, from this promo material. I'll get a specific link that I'll promote, okay, wherever I want to promote. And if someone clicks on that and sign ups to that platform, then sign ups to Trade, then he or she will be under my affiliate link. Okay, that means if they spend money in this Trade platform, then I will get the commission. Okay, the commission structure is like 40% or 50% commission they will give us as an affiliate, they will give us. So what I did to promote this platform, okay, Trade, is I created a video, that is this create Trade account and verify it easily step-by-step tutorial. I created this video in 2021 January 5, okay, and it has got up to 7,836 views. Now what people will do is they will watch this video, to learn how they can create and verify account. And I have also given a call to action that I have kept a link in the description, okay, and they can get up to 100% deposit bonus if they use this link. Now people will click on this link and they will visit to this platform that is called Trade, and they will sign up. Once they sign up, then they have from under me. Okay, so now if you want to make money without any investment, then you need to create this kind of video. Okay, without showing your face you can create it, and I'll show you exactly how you can create this kind of video in an easy way. Okay, this is how I started to create my videos, and I have now launched several courses, several YouTube videos I have made. Now nowadays I'm showing my face at the side and making my videos. Okay, but believe me, it is extremely simple to create this kind of video, and you can do it, and it will open a gateway for you to make money online by creating videos even without showing your face for lifelong. Okay, so understand the power of it. Similarly, so this is one thing. Okay, similarly, let's say you joined an Amazon Amazon associate. Okay, that is, there's an Amazon affiliate program which is called Amazon associate. If you join that program, then what you can do is you can create this kind of video, how to buy Kaspersky antivirus online. Okay, so as you can see, there are 5,000 views, and you can give your Amazon associate link in here. Okay, and while making this video, you can say that your link is in description and people will come and click. You can say them, if there is a special discount in this link, then you can get a special discount that will entice people to click on that link, in the same way that I have enticed people by saying that they can get up to 100% deposit bonus. Now this is true. Okay, this is true, this is not a false statement that I'm making, because sometime they may not get. Okay, but most of the time Trade is giving some kind of bonus to every new user. So this is a true statement of 100% deposit bonus. And yes, if you also want to trade on Trade, if you want to make some investment, then you can start to trade also. Okay, but it is let me warn you that this kind of trading is a little bit risky. You may lose, because you may always carry a chance of losing all of your investment. So make sure that you are investing wisely if you are trading. Similarly, this is the second kind of video. If you want to promote the product and services that Amazon has in Amazon Associate, and you can create this kind of video. Similarly, there are other videos like creating Namecheap business email. So I'm teaching here people, it has 5,000 views. I'm teaching people how they can create a business email, and I have joined a affiliate program of Namecheap. Okay, to promote their product and services. Now those people who want to create their business email, now I have given a link in the description. I'll say in that video, I have given a link in the description. You can click on that and get some discount on Namecheap if you use that link. Okay, then that kind of things if I say, then people will click on that and you'll actually receive that discount also. If there is no any discount, you can't say that. Okay, but if there is, then you can say it, and say in that way you can create a faceless video by teaching how they can do something. Okay, in some platform and promote that the affiliate product of that platform. Similarly, here I am promoting expert option, here I am promoting IQ option, here I am promoting ClickFunnels and another antivirus in that way. Okay, now if you want to learn how to do this whole thing, see, you don't even need to invest. What you need to invest in is this, oh yeah, mic. So this, I think it will cost you like 10 to $15 maximum. No, let's go to, so here is the Amazon link. So I think it cost like, here you can see $14. Okay, so this is extremely low investment. This is the only investment that you need to make in if you want to create some faceless video. This is the mic, and the platform you can use to record all of your video is this OBS Studio. Okay, now it is also extremely simple to use this OBS Studio, and I'll tell you how you can learn each and everything that I have shown you in this video. Okay, so I have a course in Udemy which you can take, and the course name is YouTube Affiliate Marketing for Passive Income Best Way. I'll give the link of this course in the description, and this may cost you less than this also. Okay, it is extremely cheap if you want to learn, and I have taught you how you can set up this OBS Studio and do sound setting and shoot a video, and what type of video you can create. I have shown you each and everything in this course. You can check all of these lessons at here. Okay, I've talked about each and everything in this course, and you can take all of these lessons and you will be able to create the exact same type of videos that I have shown you, which were in my channel. Okay, and you can promote this kind of platform by teaching people how to create unlimited account, how to create ClickFunnels account, how to buy Kaspersky antivirus, or how to buy certain products on certain place. Okay, that kind of video you can create, and gradually you will improve, and one day you can also create this kind of face videos, and you can even launch your own course the way I have launched. I have, if you see here, just by learning to making this kind of videos, I have launched several courses on this platform. So I have 590 students till now in this platform, and I have 5 courses. Okay, all because I'm using one Boya mic. Okay, as you can see, Boya mic, and this obvious studio, and my knowledge, and with that knowledge I am teaching each and everything to people in a helpful way, and in a not in a costly way. Okay, extremely cheap way. So guys, you can learn this skill to create a screen recording video in the right way, and keep on making money without any investment. Okay, for lifelong. So this is the one platform where I earn from the course, and there's another platform that is called Skillshare, where I earn more by making similar kind of video. So if you are understanding how powerful this process can be, and I invite you to join my YouTube affiliate marketing course, or you can also learn everything for free on YouTube, but that may take a little bit time, consume a little bit more time for you. Okay, so this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please to like this video, and if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you, and please do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.